Hello, and welcome back to Speak English Fluently. Today's topic is simple but powerful. Every day, we meet new people, and they often ask, "Tell me about yourself." Many learners feel nervous in that moment, but not today. In this episode, you will learn how to introduce yourself clearly, politely, and with confidence. I will guide you step by step and make everything easy to understand. So relax, listen carefully, and get ready to speak about yourself in English. Part 1. How to start your self-introduction politely. When you meet someone for the first time, it's important to start in a polite and friendly way. Here are simple sentences you can use. Hi, nice to meet you. Hello, it's good to meet you. Hi, my name is Adam. For example, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Adam. This is a short, clear, and friendly way to begin your self-introduction. You don't need difficult words. Just smile, speak slowly, and start with a polite greeting. Part 2. Basic information. After the polite greeting, you can share simple, basic information about yourself. Keep it short and clear so the listener understands you easily. Your name, your age, your city and country. Example: My name is Adam. I'm 25 years old. I live in the United States. You can also add a small detail if you want. I live in the United States in a small and quiet city. This makes your introduction sound more friendly and personal. Part 3. Education or study background. After sharing your basic information, you can talk about your studies. Keep your sentences simple and easy to understand. You can say, your current studies, your past studies, your field or major. Examples: I am studying English now. I studied computer science at university. I am learning business because I want to grow my skills. Example with Adam in the United States. I studied marketing at college, and now I am learning English in the United States. This makes your self-introduction more complete and helps the listener know your background. Part 4. Work experience or professional background. If you have a job or past experience, you can add it to your self-introduction. Use short, clear sentences so the listener understands you easily. You can say, your current job, your past job, your main skills. Examples: I work as a waiter. I worked in a shop before. I have good communication skills. Example with Adam in the United States. I work in a small company in the United States. I help customers and answer their questions. Before this job, I worked in a coffee shop. This information shows your experience and makes your introduction stronger and more complete. Part 5. Hobbies and interests. Talking about your hobbies makes your self-introduction more personal and friendly. It helps the listener understand what you enjoy in your free time. Use simple sentences like, I like reading. I enjoy playing football. I love watching movies. Example with Adam. In my free time, I enjoy hiking in the United States. I also like listening to music and watching interesting documentaries. Adding hobbies shows your personality and makes your introduction more natural. Part 6. Your goal or ambition. If you want, you can add a short sentence about your goals. This makes your self-introduction positive and shows that you are motivated. Use very simple sentences like, I want to improve my English. I want to get a better job. I want to learn new skills. Example with Adam. My goal is to speak English confidently and build a strong future in the United States. This small detail gives a good impression and shows that you are working on yourself. Part 7. How to end your self-introduction naturally. After sharing your information, it's important to end your introduction in a simple and natural way. Keep it friendly and short. You can use sentences like, that's a little about me. Thank you for listening. It's nice to meet you. Example, that's a little about me. Thank you for listening, and it's very nice to meet you. This ending sounds polite, natural, and perfect for everyday conversations. Now that you learned how to introduce yourself, let's practice more. Here are several examples and exercises you can try. Basic introduction. Hi, my name is Adam. Hello, I am Adam. Nice to meet you. Add age and location. I'm 25 years old. I live in the United States. My name is Adam. I'm 25 and I live in New York. Add education. I studied marketing at college. I am studying English now in the United States. Add work experience. I work in a small company. I help customers every day. Before this, I worked in a coffee shop. Add hobbies. In my free time, I like hiking and listening to music. I enjoy watching movies and reading books. Add goals. My goal is to speak English confidently. I want to improve my skills and have a good future. Full example. Hi, my name is Adam. I'm 25 years old and I live in New York, United States. I studied marketing at college and now I work in a small company where I help customers. In my free time, I enjoy hiking and listening to music. My goal is to speak English confidently. That's a little about me. Record yourself introducing yourself and listen carefully. Practice in front of a mirror. Try introducing yourself to a friend or family member. Speak slowly and clearly. It's better than speaking fast and making mistakes. Smile while speaking. It makes your introduction more friendly. D. Extra example dialogues. Dialogue 1. Person A. Hi, tell me about yourself. Adam. Hello, my name is Adam. I'm 25 years old. I live in the United States. I work in a small company and I like hiking and music. My goal is to speak English confidently. Dialogue 2. Person B. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy watching movies and reading books. Sometimes I go hiking with friends. Dialogue 3. What's your goal? Adam, I want to improve my English and have a successful career. Practice challenge. Try making 3 different self-introductions today. Short version, 1 to 2 sentences. Medium version, add age, location, and hobbies. Full version, all steps, name, age, location, education, work, hobbies, goal. That's all for today's lesson on how to introduce yourself. I hope you found it useful and easy to follow. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to introduce yourself to someone today, or even in front of a mirror. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you in the next episode.